Good afternoon. For today's video, magluluto tayo. We're gonna cook or we're gonna prepare a pasta dish. Ziti with white sauce, broccoli, and green peas. So, yan. And here are the ingredients. So, of course, ang ating pasta, Ziti. So, we're gonna cook this according to package. Yan, nandito naman yung instructions niya. Yan. And then, we have the 5 cloves of garlic minced, 1 medium-sized white onion chopped, and then yung ground beef. So, this is 1 pound. And then for the seasoning, we have the garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon ng nutmeg. This one is optional, the nutmeg. And then this one is 1 tablespoon Knorr seasoning, Knorr powder seasoning. And then we also need 1/2 cup water. And then the broccoli, florets, the frozen green peas, and then for the sauce, I'll be using the classical roasted garlic Alfredo and classical creamy Alfredo. So that's it. Let's start cooking. So first, we're gonna cook this pasta. So the water is now boiling. We're gonna put all this 1 box. There. I forgot to put salt and oil. There. So we have to wait for 9 to 10 minutes or until the pasta becomes al dente. So while the pasta is cooking, let's heat the pan. It's already hot. We're gonna put some oil. And butter. I forgot this one to mention for the ingredients. There. About 2 tablespoons. So now we're gonna add the onion, chopped onion. Lagay na natin tong garlic. So, luto na rin yung garlic natin. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating beef. So, let's check our pasta. Mainit. So, drain natin yung pasta. So, luto na yung beef natin. Lagay na natin yung ating mga seasoning. Garlic powder. Pepper. Yung ating Knorr powder. At yung ating nutmeg. Now, lagyan natin yung ating water. Next, lagyan na natin yung ating sauce. Tikman natin. Sarap. So, lagyan natin yung broccoli. So, lutuin lang natin yung broccoli siguro mga 1 to 2 minutes. Ngayon, lagay na natin yung ating green peas. So, luto na siya guys. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko, babawasan ko lang muna ng sauce. Para kung sobra yung sauce natin para sa noodles. Mas madali kasi magdagdag kaysa magbawas. Dahil hindi na natin magbabawasan. Then, let's toss it. So, ito guys, luto na. Ito yung madalas ko niluluto para sa daughter ko. Favorite niya kasi itong white sauce eh. Itong Alfredo sauce. But this time, nilagyan ko ng broccoli saka ng green peas para makakain naman siya ng vegetables. Favorite niya kasi ito.